of something else. So therefore, friends, it is he should not have committed, but he committed and he said that, and especially for PhD, not me, all faculty members opposed that we don't want to give our PhD examination for NTA, National Testing Agency. We want to maintain certain standards. We don't know what will happen when it goes to NTA. But unanimously only they said, we will try to convince that NTA not to conduct this examination at least for this year. I think only for this year they have kept. The point I am trying to make, friends, that universities are losing its autonomy. Why university? University is there to what people call to think bravely. The society which may not be able to say anything bravely, anything advanced, anything against the establishment, only universities can say. That is the duty of the university. Universities are there to criticize anybody, including the Prime Minister, including the President, whoever. There is no bar. That's why it is a freedom of ideas, freedom of thinking, and freedom of thought that has to prevail in the university. But now we are losing that. All central universities now, they even about the recruitment. I think I should not give names, but in one university what happened was, the screening committee constituted by the department, they have selected some list and sent for interview, and that list has been replaced by the list by Nagpur. You know how the composition of the teachers is also changing. So just 2 points I want to mention. In this new education policy, one thing is, people like me or all other organizations, Ambedkar Students Association and others, we want common school system. We want common education system. Now common school system, common education, irrespective of caste, class, gender, everybody should get same education. But you see, in our country, how many types of schools we have? You have, somebody said, 28 types of schools. We have national schools, we have international schools, we have municipal schools, we have government schools, we have, I have seen in some district, we have NRI schools also. And in the universities, we have state universities, we have central universities, we have private universities, we have corporate universities, we have Jindal universities. All corporate sector, they are starting their own university. That's why I want to remind you that one student by name Anita in Tamil Nadu, she committed suicide because she was not able to clear JEE test.
NEP.
And in that suicide note she wrote that she posed a question to the government. It is a fundamental question on the education system. She said, when you people are not able to provide common school system, common education system, how can you conduct common entrance test? A 21-year-old girl, daughter of a laborer in the market in Chennai, she raised a fundamental question on the Indian education system. So therefore, when we don't have common schools, when we don't have common education system, how can you have a common entrance test? You have all set, law set, you have MSET, you have JEE, you have all kinds of entrance examination, which is not justifiable in country like India. Now, okay, we are for common education system, that is our fundamental aim. And of course, we are for scientific, secular, democratic education. But let alone these things, whether this new education policy at least strengthens the existing government educational institutions, if you want to see, then there is nothing in this document. It is, I think, around 66-page document, in which, of course, one of the important way to improve the government's educational institution is to increase the budget. All commissions and committees appointed by the government itself, they said, you have to allot 6% of the budget to education. Even now, they have not allotted. And in this document, they say that there is no meaning. They did not say. If they are very sincere, they should have told, say by 2025 or 26, we will allot 6% of budget for education. But they have not said that.